Hello, students. Let's start the chapter Glimpses of India, Part 3 Tea from Assam. Before we know about the chapter, let's know something about Assam. Assam is a state in northern east part of India and it is famous for tea plantation. The tea industry in Assam is running from past 160 years, and it contributes a very effective and it is very effective for Indian economy. Tea from Assam by Arup Kumar Datta. Let's know something about Arup Kumar Datta. He is an Indian writer from Assam. His book Kaziranga Trail in 1978 won prestigious awards, and this book has been translated in various languages. The Blind Witness, Smack, Revenge, The Lure of Jangrila, these books got national award. Let's know something about the chapter. We will cover the main events and the main points of the chapter. Tea from Assam. Here the main two characters are Pranjal and Rajveer. Pranjal is a young boy from Assam and a classmate in school in Delhi of Rajveer. Pranjal's father is a manager at a tea garden in Upper Assam, and Pranjal has invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. Now, as Rajveer is going to Pranjal's home, they are traveling and they are traveling by train and enjoying the view outside. And this is the scenario of a station. Rajveer and Pranjal were traveling to Assam. A tea vendor called Chai Garam Garam Chai. They took tea and sipped it. Rajveer told Pranjal that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. So here Rajveer is giving information to Pranjal that more than 80 crore cups are being consumed. This beverage has become famous worldwide. Now, Rajveer belongs to Delhi and he is so much captivated by looking the greenery outside the train. When he's moving, he's able to see the greenery outside and he is so much captivated. Rajveer looked at the beautiful scenery outside. Pranjal kept reading his detective book. There were greenery outside. Soon, the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. Green paddy fields, the fields of rice. And there were shade trees also over the areas. In the distance, there was an ugly building. It was a tea garden. So here they were about to see the tea plantation and all the things that they were able to see, especially Rajveer. He was so much captivated and fascinated. Here we can see the tea garden. Now, in this chapter, there is described that there are two legends about tea. Pranjal and Rajveer, they were in Assam, which is also called as the tea country. Assam has the largest concentration of tea plantations in the world. Rajveer told Pranjal that no one really knew who discovered tea. There were many legends about it. There were many stories regarding tea, and two main stories are Chinese legend and Indian legend. So what does the Chinese legend says? It says that there was a Chinese emperor, and Chinese people always boil water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of branches fell into the boiling water. It gave a delicious flavor. These were tea leaves. At that time, the tea leaves were discovered. And Indian legend, Bodhidharma, a Buddhist monk. There was a Bodhidharma and he was a Buddhist monk. He cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelids. These leaves, when he put in hot water and drank, banished sleep. So, it is said that when he cut off his eyelids, it fell onto the ground and there were few leaves came out, and that was tea leaves. And when it is drunk, so the sleep vanishes. So, tea and China. What is the relation between tea and China? Rajveer told Pranjal that tea was first drunk in China. It was first drunk in China. It was as far back as 2700 BC. Words like chai and chini are Chinese. Tea came to Europe in the 16th century. It was drunk more as medicine. So it was first drunk in China, and these words chai and chini derive from Chinese people, and in Europe it came in 16th century. Now when they reached the destination, both of them dropped at Marine Junction and they were driven to Dekibari Tea Estate. Dekibari Tea Estate is that place where Pranjal's father works as a manager. On both sides of the road, there were acres and acres of tea bushes. Women with bamboo baskets were planting the leaves and plucking the leaves from them. Here you can see the picture. The women are plucking the tea leaves, taking out the tea leaves, and with a wooden basket at their backs, this is how they take the tea leaves. So students, this was all about the chapter. Let's have a brainstorming questions for you. First is, what did Pranjal told Rajveer about Assam? Second, what is the Chinese legend about tea? Third, write down the Buddhist legend about tea. And fourth, how are the tea leaves collected in Assam? These are the 4 questions which you need to answer. Write it down in your copy and within 30 to 40 words. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day.